Just when I think I've got everything figured out in Google, Google shows me there's another way to do something that might be a little simpler. So what I wanted to show you really quickly was that in two places, I've actually posted the Epub version so that you can read Private Peaceful. So long story short, on my desktop, I actually, through Z Library, I had saved the file Private Peaceful, which is an EPUB file, and had shown you in a video how to download the Google extension app, which is an EPUB reader. So when I wanted to make that more accessible, and I just want to point out it's on the stream, but I've also posted it as material here that you can actually find both the audio copy and the EPUB version here. So if you want to access the electronic version, all you have to do is go to classwork under Private Peaceful, and you're going to find this video. I didn't realize it could be this easy. So let's open that up. And then it says that it can't see this because it's an EPUB reader. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, and hopefully you have the same options. Let me know if you don't. But all I did was double clicked it, and then I said open with Cloud EPUB Reader, and then it's already got it there. And then I had to go to download the file. Or if I've already opened up the cloud, it will automatically put it in because it just pulls it from there. And there's these little arrows that just show you all the pages. It's the same as the EPUB reader, and then you have access to the book. So we'll go through that during class, but there's an easy way to access the book. It's getting easier and easier.